welcome back to another episode on my channel. I wanted to come and do a review for you lovies. This review is brought to you by a company called XiuYuan, I think it's pronounced, but you can find this company on Amazon.com. And yeah, they reached out to me and wanted to work and wanted me to bring you all this first review on this braiding hair. So the braiding hair came in a pack like this. It did not take a long time at all to reach me, and I'm gonna pull it out. And I like that they put it in this big old Ziploc bag. So if you have extra, you can just restore it back in this bag. So yeah. Now, this video is going to be like my first initial impression about this hair. I am going to do a second part to this video in which I am going to show you all what I use this hair for. And I will be inserting clips in that second video of me doing a braided unit. I'm trying to kind of in between whether I'm going to do a full braided unit, or I'm thinking about doing maybe like some feed ends at the top with like a closure, and then you know, just doing the back, maybe box braids or twists. So yeah, kind of indecisive about that, but definitely stay tuned because I will be posting a part 2 to this video. So like I said, this video is basically how I feel about the hair. Like, just from looking at it, the hair looks very good. I like the luster on the hair. As you can see, like, it's not too shiny at all. It looks just right. It looks like that feather tip hair that they have in the store now, except for the ends. From looking at it in the pack, look a little bit more blunt, which I don't have a problem with because I know how to feather it myself. So I'm going to take it out the pack, and all of the hair is individually packed in the bigger pack. So upon taking it out, it definitely has like it does not have, I would say, fine canacolon feel maybe, but it also has that Toyokalon. If you're familiar with Toyokalon hair, it has that Toyokalon feel as well to the hair. But it looks like this. The ends look like that. And it feels good. Like, to me, it feels good to touch. As you can see, I can run my fingers right through it with no problem, without them getting tangled on the ends. It doesn't have a smell at all. And so I'm going to fill y'all in a little bit about, you know, the hair, the company, all that good stuff. So this is there. And if you see me looking down, if you're not new to my channel, you know I'm looking at my notes. If you are, I'm looking at my notes. So if you see me looking over, that's what I'm reading off of. But this is the 3-tone ombre hair. You will get 5 bundles. 5 bundles come in one pack when you purchase this hair. It is a total of 24 inches each bundle. This particular color is their purple, red, and pink ombre tone. They do offer a total of 12 colors in all. So this is one of those colors, and then they have 11 other colors that I will be just inserting here so y'all lovers can get a feel or a view of the different colors that they offer. So they do offer a black blue, and you can just look here for what those tones look like. But they have a black blue, they have a black blue gray, they have a black blue that fades into the light blue. They have a black brown honey blonde, a black brown blonde, black gray, black pink, purple, blue, and light purple. This is their purple, red, and pink, like I stated before. They have 2 different types of rainbow. They have rainbow 1, and then they have rainbow 2. And then they have a red blue. So yeah, and I looked through all the colors. All of the colors are beautiful. Y'all know my favorite color is pink. So when they reached out to me about reviewing this, I said, sure, I would love to do a review on this hair. So this is a high quality fiber. Each pack is 100 grams. States that it's natural feeling. It's definitely a natural feeling. It is very soft. You have to play it safe when it comes to Kanakalan hair, because sometimes you can get bad Kanakalan hair, bad braiding hair, in which I hate bad braiding hair. I hate bad hair, period. So, it is much lighter. I can tell just from lifting it. It's definitely much lighter. Like I said, it comes in a huge variety of colors that's perfect for any skin type. Y'all know it's hot outside, so you definitely want to get you some braiding hair, you know, to get your hair box braided, get it twisted, get it cornrowed. It retails for $15.99, this particular color. Now, the prices do vary anywhere from like $26 on the I think it was like maybe 21 or 26, one of them, but that was more on the rainbow tone end. The rainbow hair is the highest, but hey, this not a lot of times you cannot find 3-tone ombre hair. I know here where I live, the beauty supply stores, you cannot find 3-tone ombre hair. It's very hard to find. So usually that's why if I'm interested in it, I get it offline. You only really can find the 2-tone ombre hair here in the hair store. So, and then if you want colors like this, you know, something different, you definitely can't find it here. I'm just saying. So they do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if any reason you're not satisfied with your order or what you ordered, you can definitely return it, because this is sold and shipped by Amazon. Well, it is shipped by Amazon. So you definitely can return it to them for a full refund. So yeah, I don't have any bad things to say about the hair right now from looking at it. I'm going to take this bottom rubber band off just so y'all can get a better look. And yeah, as you can see, like my hands just glide right through it. Right through it. My hands glide right through it. So yeah, I cannot wait to use this hair. I cannot wait to show you lovies what I come up with. It is so pretty. I can't wait to use this. I'm so excited. So yeah. But definitely stay tuned for part 2 of this video. I appreciate you lovies for joining me. Check out XiuYuan for your hair needs. Like I said, this particular color is only $15.99. And like I also stated, a lot of times you cannot find 3-tone hair in the hair store. If you can, it's probably double this price, especially for 5 packs. 9 times out of 10, they're probably charging close to $5 per pack, where you will get 5 of these 5 packs for only 16 bucks. So yeah, and then if you want depending on a length of braids and all of that good stuff, or what style you're doing, like if you're doing a cornrow style, this is more than enough hair, and you probably can get like 2 styles out of this. 2 or 3 styles if you're doing a cornrow style, a 2-layer style, some small box braids, even for your children, because I know some kids, you know, they love color hair, which my girls, they like color hair. I have no problem with giving them a girly style with color hair. So you can get a couple of hairstyles out of 5 packs of braiding hair. So yeah, definitely check them out. All information will be down below in the description box. And like I said, stay tuned for a part 2. I appreciate you lovies for watching. Thank you so much for sticking with me and supporting my channel. And I will see you loves in the next video.